tuning in. My dad says this is one of the coolest toolkits he's gotten in a while. Look at all this cool stuff. Hey Dan, run that intro.
Hey Gearheads, thanks for tuning in. Now I know I don't normally do tool reviews, but you gotta check this thing out. Now for starters, it comes in this nice Ziploc bag, so they want to keep it nice and clean when they send it to you, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna open it up and see what's in here. There we go. Alright. You ready for this? Check this out. Now the first thing you notice is the bright blue plastic pry tools. It's really hard to say, but these things are amazing. I do have another set that I've used for years. There's only a couple of them. This set, you can see there's many different ends that will allow you to get in different areas. You can use these on newer cars to pry off plastic panels, which pretty much everything is just popped on these days. You can use them on older cars to help you seat weather stripping. You can use them for pretty much anything you need to pry that you don't want to mar any plastic or scratch any paint. That's why they're plastic. Check out the ends on these things. You got big hooks, you got little hooks, you got serrated ones here. I'm not even sure what that's for. These probably all have different uses, and there may be an instruction booklet online, but I'm not about instructions, so I'm just going to look over them and figure out what I can do with them. But wait, there's more. That's only half of this toolkit. This other half, you get an entire bag of assorted poppers. So when you do pop your panels out, if one of your poppers breaks, you get replacements. There's all sorts of different styles in here. There's the Christmas tree style that I like to call. There's the ones with the center popper. I don't know. I'll just talk and I'll pan over all these bags and you can look at them, and if you know what they are, I don't even know. They probably all have names, but I don't know what they are. But that's what you get in this kit. You get a set of these radio release tools. Now I do have a bunch of these from radios that I've taken out over the years. These are for a specific type of radio, I'm assuming. Maybe you guys know what they are. It's just the two half circle thingies. So that's pretty cool. And then look at the other tools that are in here. You get little spoon tools, which again are probably good for doing like weather stripping and things like that. You get this little pliers, which look like they might be for releasing wipers. I know there's a tool like that, so maybe that's what that's for. You do get a panel popper, this nice straight one, and then you also get this little angled panel popper, so those are pretty neat. And then we got 4 of these little hook tools, which is pretty cool. So you have a right angle hook, you have the little curved hook, you have the straight hook, and then this little offset hook. So these are really good for getting wires through holes or just grabbing things and moving them to where you need them to be. And then you also get these tools over here, which are another set of radio release tools, and that's why you get 2 of each one. I think that's what they're for. Maybe I should read the instructions. I don't know. And then this is actually my favorite out of the tools. So I'm going to take these out and show them to you. These are for wires that are in connectors. And what you do is you can push these in the connector and it'll release the wire for these types of push-in wires. So that is really handy too. You get a couple different sizes of the circle ones, and then you get a couple of the smaller ones and a couple of bigger ones. So that's pretty cool. I mean, this entire kit is an amazing kit. If you want to get one like this, check out the description below. I got this off of Amazon. I'm not an Amazon partner. However, the company did give it to me and asked me to review it. So I have honestly not used any of these tools yet. But just looking at this thing, I can tell that this is a heavy-duty kit. I mean, look at the strength. This thing barely flexes. So they seem like they're really good tools. And even though I have not used any of this yet, I'm going to go out on a limb and say this is an awesome kit. If you're looking for any of these tools, buy this kit because you get everything in it. So it's just like an all-encompassing toolkit for stuff that you're going to need. Even these pry bars alone are worth the price. So I would definitely recommend this if anybody's looking for any of these tools. And lastly, I'm going to leave you with all these. So we do have a ton more of the Dan's Garage stickers, and if anybody is interested in these, you can buy them. They are $5 each. You can get in touch with me through this, through Instagram, through, I don't know, any way you can get a hold of me. If you do have stickers, if you're a channel or any company and you have stickers you want to trade, I will do trades. Again, just get in touch with me through DansgarageNC@gmail.com or any of the social media. And I am going to go use some of these tools, and I'm sure you're going to be seeing them in future videos. So until next time, I thank you for watching. Stay positive, keep on wrenching.